around.
Xavier's brother is the district attorney for the state of Illinois. Did you guys know that? So, me
Taking pictures of all the women's feet. That was weird.
Excuse me.
Women, women
You said, "Oh,
stuff.
I came by and saw you cussing," so I was like,
in my neighborhood.
"Oh yeah." Well, you know, if you're watching me, you're gonna watch me cuss, because that's what I do. I'm a nice girl, but I fucking talk like a sailor. And I don't apologize for it. I cuss all the time. And I like all the big good cuss words. And sometimes I'll cuss for no reason at all. Why is that there? Why is my volume thing? What's going on with that?
Shout out to the district attorney. I hope you guys are okay out there.